This is Duke University.
HIV is oftentimes invisible to a lot of members of the Duke community, and what I've observed being a Duke student.
December 1st is World AIDS Day, and here at Duke we're looking at HIV/AIDS through three prisms: art, activism, and archives.
I'm a member of Dr. Stewart's Narratives of Living with HIV class. I'm a global health major focused on HIV studies as my focus study. It is an art-based class and has provided me a way to really engage with the stories and the way that HIV-positive individuals choose to share their stories.
Normally they think about it from a health perspective, but I want to challenge my students to think about HIV/AIDS from a creative perspective.
Karrie Stewart invited me to Duke to teach her global health students how to work with the new Maria de Bruyn archive and do this Humument technique. It takes an original text and completely revises every single page using collage artwork, which pulls words and phrases out from the text to create an entirely new story that perhaps changes the meaning or intention or understanding of that original.
I noticed the word problems, and then I figured that we could analyze the problems and also analyze the solutions.
Is to get students to challenge and question text, to look at it in a different way, not really knowing what they're going to find out of it.
When I first looked at the page that I'm altering as part of my Humument exercise, it immediately resonated with me. I'm working on a poem that's centered around gender. I've realized just how hard it is for many women to advocate for themselves, and my poem really speaks to the emotions that makes me feel, which is, anger and frustration and a sense of injustice, and that's kind of what I'm trying to portray in my poem, and what I hope someone who stops by and sees my poem displayed will be able to get a sense of.
So it can be playful, it can be subversive, it can be funny or political, it can be very expressive. An exciting way for me as a poet to bring concrete poetry to students who might not have encountered it before.
So please join us on November 30th for our discussants, Kelly Swain, Alicia Diggs, and Maria de Bruyn.
Engage more in these important topics which have a dramatic impact on the future.
And we hope to see you there.
Produced by Duke University, online at duke.edu.